Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I got another one of my favorite boxes. It is a quarterly box from Archer and Olive. It is stationery, it's journaling. It is an exclusive box that has been curated for this subscription. And it is $79 each quarter, and that includes free shipping. And you guys, it is always amazing. I have seen some online about this. Look how pretty that one is. And I'll read that here in a second. So I've seen glimpses of it because, again, I don't want to spoil it. So I've kind of seen passing by. So I have an idea of what is like the theme, but I don't know exactly what everything looks like. So it says on the outside, step into the beekeeper's garden. It's a sunlit afternoon, twinkling wind chimes and a gentle hum of busy bees set the perfect scene to welcome inspiration and reflection. Whether you are writing, planning, or simply daydreaming, you can escape to the garden, free from the sting of worry or rush, stay as long as you like, and nurture your creative mind. So it's going to be bees, you guys. And I will say, bees are in this year. I actually have a setup on my island of all cute bee things. So bees are in. Although when we were on vacation last week or a week before, I got stung by a bee at the pool. Like something was on my ear and I went like this. Bee stung me. And let me tell you, I have not been stung since I was like a little kid. And I remember my mom, of course, tell me I'm overreacting. But guys, now I know what was happening. That sucker hurt. It hurt. So as my mom watches this, I was justified being upset way back when. All right, let me open it here. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay. So the back of this does tell us what the items are. So we're going to put that aside. Another pretty. Ooh. All right. First item here. It's a sticker set, 4 sheets matte finish. Oh, okay. I like this. Look at how pretty they are. They're pastel colors, and look at the pretty flowers. So feminine and just so pretty. And look at the little, so there's the little bees on the side. Let me see if those come off. They do. But yeah, those little bees right there are stickers too. So pretty. Love that. So pretty. Another envelope. Ah, okay. So this is a pen pouch. Love it. For your planners. I love it. Goes in that way. I love this, you guys. And it's got a little bee on it. Is it okay? Love this, you guys. Very creative. Very creative. Dig it in. I'm assuming these are markers. Duograph, chisel and fine liner, water-based ink, non-toxic beekeeper's garden. Ooh, so the colors are charcoal, honeycomb, daffodil, lilac, and violet. I don't want to mess up the box because the box is so pretty, you guys, but I think I'm going to have to. Oh, come on. I don't want to break you. Okay. I wanted to just use my teeth there and pull that, but I am videoing, so I probably shouldn't do that. Okay. Oh, I love when they do this. So they actually give us stickers that say the names of the colors that you can place on here. Love it. All right, so it's dual And it does say it's branded with Archer and Olive. 3 millimeter one side, 0.4 millimeter the other side. You can see, might just be better that way. So this must be the charcoal color. So let me write. Let me show you what these colors look like. The colors. Ooh, that is honeycomb. Okay, so first line, charcoal. Then we have violet. Then we have daffodil, lilac, and honeycomb. Isn't that honeycomb pretty? That's a really nice color. It's very pretty. Okay, another item that I'm loving. Put this in here because I don't want to lose these little stickers. All right, what's in next? Look how pretty this box is. We got some washi tape, you guys. Oh, and we got a lot of washi tape. All right, let me put my... Okay. Here is our washi tape. Look how pretty those are. So pretty. They picked the perfect colors for summer, you guys. Perfect. And there's still more in the box. Another pretty box. This box I am so going to keep because that would be a great box to have to give somebody a gift in. Okay, so we have stamps. So we have the alphabet and the numbers. And then we have the days of the week. Then she's also given us a black stamp pad, and she's given us a block to attach our letters to. Very nice. But I would have also liked if this had been charcoal. No, sorry. If this had been honeycomb or violet. Oh, that would have just put it over the top. Over the top, you guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? This is another box I'm going to have to keep because it's too pretty not to. Oh gosh, what's it going to look? I mean, I know it's a notebook. Okay, I didn't notice there's little bees up there. See the bees? Ooh. It is violet, and see the gold on there for the bee. So this is ultra thick 160 GSM, and it is a dot grid. So we've got the place for the pen. We've got the, I'm not sure how well they can show it, the dot grid. But what I love about their notebooks is you get not, well, where'd it go? Here we go. You get not one like page finder, you get two, and one of them has the little charm on it of their brand. That's the extra detail. So $79, you guys, this is an amazing deal. And if you wanted to like give this as a gift or something like that, it does give you a little note inside that it says, to the new owner of this notebook. This is not just a notebook, dear friend. It is a powerful tool that just might make your day a little bit better. Arranged here. And we got another. Love the sunflowers. Okay, so it's gonna be a notebook. What does it look like? That's the thing. It's like, what kind is it? What does it look like? Another amazing box to keep. Okay. So let's see it together. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So this is an ultra thick 160 GSM, also dot grid. Oh, just wait. with a lavender edge. Look at that, a lavender edge, you guys. Love it. Uh-oh. It's lavender pages. OMG. Oh my gosh, you guys. This still my beating heart. Amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. That just, and what the sticker or the washi tape, what it's gonna look on it. I was not expecting lavender violet pages. Not by any means, you guys. Out of the park. Knocked it out of the park. We have one more item, you guys. And it's a bigger one, but it is our last one of, oops, here we go. So it's the last one of the quarter. You guys, next time we get one, it is gonna be stinking the fall box. Is that not crazy? Oh, also the 2 and the charm. But how crazy is that, you guys? Fall already. Huh. Okay, here we go. Cannot wait. I'm taking that one to work tomorrow. And I'm probably going to redo my whole thing to use that. Okay, here we go. So this one, I don't know. It might not be a notebook because I didn't look on the back. I mean, I looked, but I didn't see. Oh. It's like a folio, you guys. The color is like mint green with the violet and the lavender. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. And then you have the clip up there. Oh, look at that. And you got the pocket. And then the paper. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am loving it. Loving it. Oh, also up on the top, they do have their branding, Archer and Olive. Knocked it out of the park. Amazing. Amazing. Now I need to find that card. Here it is. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm glad I saw something. I wasn't 100% sure, so I didn't want to say, but I did. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's go. So the first, this is the A5 notebook theme beehive, and it has white foil with golden yellow outside, and it's filled with 192 pages of lavender dot grid. Next. Okay, this one, okay, it took me a second there, you guys. So this is their B6 notebook, Honeycomb. And it says it's 112 pages of white dot grid. And it is a soft purple cotton cover with a bee and honeycomb design stamped in gold foil. Okay, now we have our washi tape. So you've got a set of 4 decorative washi tapes. Then we have the Demograph pens, a set of 5, and they are dual tipped. Then we have the clipboard folio with a notepad. It says a first time product from Archer and Olive. This clipboard folio includes a floral patterned cover with gold foiled beads. Inside, you'll find a notebook with 40 sheets of lined white paper and a contrasting floral pocket. So it does have the gold bees on it. I missed that the first time. Then we have the, oh, here, the Alpha stamps. So the Alpha stamps with ink and acrylic block. Almost done, you guys. Then we have the pen pouch that you can attach your favorite pens to your notebook using this cool gray vegan leather pen pouch with a bee down there motif and an elastic strap. And last but not least, our stickers. Great for layering together for beautiful spreads. Enjoy 2 sheets of our journaling box stickers printed on matte paper, plus 2 sheets of floral stickers printed on clear paper. I didn't realize that. So yes, these are clear. So they have, see right there, you guys? Very nice. I didn't realize that. That's why it's important to read the cards. I'm so very happy, but I'm also so sad that the Archer and Olive's already over for this season, you guys. But that's okay, because now we're going to go and enjoy them. So go check them out. Quarterly, $79, free shipping, and look at all the cool, beautiful things you get. So, all right, guys, take care. Bye.